Hi Pink Angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Q&A for you. I am wearing super comfy clothes, I have a coffee, and I've got my questions ready, and I'm going to be answering everything that you asked me over on Instagram that you wanted to know about me. So yeah, that's today's video. So before I get started, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and become part of my Pink Angel family. It's super easy and quick. You can just click my face in the corner, or you can click the red subscribe button just down below. It's free and it's quick, and this is a really positive place on the internet where we just talk all things pink, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, just nice things like that, and I really do appreciate if you subscribe and become part of that family. So thank you for doing that. And also, if you feel like joining in on my next Q&A, then you can follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. There's lots more pink prettiness over there as well, so feel free to follow me. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I actually haven't looked at these questions. I just quickly took some screenshots. So the first question is your hair your real colour? It's so gorgeous. Well, thank you so much. And yes, my hair is my real colour. I have always been naturally blonde. Actually, I was born with auburn hair and then that all fell out. And then I've just been blonde ever since. This is my natural colour, and when I go out in the sun in the summertime, it gets much more blonde, which I love. I just adore being blonde. I can't imagine being any other hair colour. Like, I've just always known being blonde, and I feel like it matches my personality. Like, it's quite bright and sunny, and I just like that, and I love being blonde. I did straighten my hair as well today, but this is what it naturally goes like anyway. It's super straight, so yeah, this is my natural hair. So the next question is, what is your dream job? Okay, so honestly, I would say this is my dream job. I would love to be able to do YouTube and social media full time. At this point, obviously it's not possible for me. I'm at university, I'm doing a master's right now, and my master's is actually related to digital things. It's in digital marketing, so it links in, and I'm learning loads at uni, which is helping me to improve my social medias and things. But I would absolutely love to do this as my full-time job, because I just love filming videos and posting really cute pictures and things and chatting to you guys, and I feel like I've made some really good friends as well just through social media, and it's amazing that this is now actually possible, that this can be a job. So if I could build up my followers and be able to make more money, enough money to live off, then that would be absolutely amazing, and that would definitely be my dream. But I know that that might not be possible, or it might take some time, so I'm pretty open to like what I'm going to do after university. I'm not really sure, but I would say that my dream job has always been something involving fashion. I'd love to do something to do with fashion or beauty in the future. Working for a designer would be a dream. But again, I don't know if that's going to be possible, but I'm going to do whatever I can to make it possible. But I would say being a full-time whatever, I don't like saying the word influencer, because I feel like that's a bit like, sounds a bit full of myself saying that, but like whatever you call a social media YouTuber person, I would love to do that as my dream job. If that would be possible, then that would be great. So yeah, please subscribe, help a girl out. By the way, my phone case is from Coconut Lane, and these are their new ones. They now offer personalised phone cases, and I think that's so cute. And instead of getting my initials, I just got Amy because my name's short, and I'm pretty lucky I can just fit that in instead of initials. So I think it's really cute, and I got this to match my MacBook case, so it all matches in, and I love that. And that is from Coconut Lane. My jumper is also from Coconut Lane. I'm being such a good brand rep today. I do actually have a discount code. It's Aloha Amy 20. If you feel like shopping on Coconut Lane, you may as well get yourself some money off, so you get 20% off with my code. Just while I'm here, I may as well let you know. So the next question is from my oldest childhood friend, and she knows that this is a silly question. She asks, how would you style Crocs? Well, Kristen, I wouldn't style Crocs. As I told you before, I do not like Crocs at all. I really dislike them. don't come at me if you love Crocs. They're not my thing. Kristen loves them, but I just don't think that they're the most flattering shoe. But people say they're really comfy, and that's fine, but I will not be styling Crocs anytime soon. Thank you, Kristen, for asking though. Next question. So, have you got a new celeb crush since Shawn Mendes is going out with Camila Cabello? So that is a really good question. Yeah, obviously Shawn Mendes was my crush before, but he's now with Camila, so I need to find someone new. So I would say I have two, I think. KJ Appa from Riverdale, like Archie, I'm a fan, I like him. And also Jack Whitehall, I think he's really funny, and yeah. Okay, so Nina asked me motivational tips for uni. So I would say that there's a few things that I do to stay motivated for uni. Firstly is buying pretty stationery. I think that when you have like cute notebooks and diaries and things like that, that really does help, because I like highlighting things in different colours and things, making things pretty. That keeps me motivated, and it might sound silly, but for me it works, and that is something that I would say is motivational. And the other thing that I would say is make sure that you just find some time every day to do some of your uni work. I try and find, like, my classes are different times. So on a Monday I start at 11, on a Tuesday I start at 1, so it's kind of awkward, but I just try and fit it in. So like on a Monday I finish much later, but when I come home I try and do some uni work then. And then today is Tuesday, I start at about lunchtime, so I do some work in the mornings, and I just think it's good to write things down in your diary and make sure that you have time every single day to do a little bit of your work. And I would say don't leave your coursework to the last minute, because I definitely used to leave my homework to the last minute in high school. That really didn't work out well for me, and leaving my studying. I don't recommend leaving studying to the last minute. If you're in school or university, just give yourself enough time to study. It is really rubbish, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like studying, but it has to be done, and it's better to give yourself plenty of time, because otherwise you will regret it, trust me. So I would say give yourself plenty of time. My brother also asked me a question, and he said you should film more videos with your mum, she seems like such a fabulous person. It's not really a question, but yeah, my mum is a fabulous person. I've never had anyone else on my YouTube channel. I don't even think in vlogs. I don't think I've ever featured anyone. I think it's only ever been me. It's my channel. I don't really feel like I want to show a camera in like my family's face and things, so that's why I don't post with anyone else in it. But yeah, my mum is fabulous. So somebody asked, who is my Prince Charming? So I haven't actually found my Prince Charming yet, but you know, that's fine. I'm just waiting for the right prince to come along. When I do find him, he will be really kind and really funny, and yeah, I'm just waiting. Next question is, what is your favourite lipstick, darling? I admire you so much. Oh my god, that's so cute. Thank you. So I would say my favourite lipstick is the one that I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a Marc Jacobs one, and I can never remember the name of this. The writing is so tiny. It's called Sugar High, and it's a really cute nude colour. So it's just this kind of peachy nude shade, and it's just the most like creamy lipstick ever. It's just so pigmented and it blends really nicely, and I just love it. And I am also wearing the matching lip liner and lip gloss for it. But although I love lipstick and I do have quite a few lipsticks, my favourite thing is lip gloss. I always wear lip gloss, and my favourite lip gloss is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy. This is honestly the nicest lip gloss ever. It's so pretty. It's like a pinky colour. It's a really beautiful kind of sheer pink colour. It's just perfect for me for every single day. I wear this when I have like really nice natural makeup on, or when I'm more glam. It literally goes with everything, and it's just beautiful. It's just so like soft on the lips. It feels so moisturizing, and I feel like sometimes when you wear certain lipsticks it leaves like a weird kind of film inside of your lips, like around here, and it's really gross and it really annoys me, but this doesn't. It's just so light and it's kind of more even like an oil. It's just beautiful, and I really recommend Fenty Beauty lip glosses, and they have different shades which I'm sure would match different skin tones. Also, another lip gloss that I just had to mention is this Too Faced one. It's in the shade All the Stars, and this is just so beautiful. Too Faced lip glosses are stunning, the packaging is so beautiful, and I just think it's really pretty, kind of shimmery colour, and it's just gorgeous to just put on top of a lipstick and just add a bit more sparkle, and I just adore this. The next question is my favourite Disney princess, and that's an easy one. My favourite Disney princess is Cinderella. I've been asked what is my favourite video editor software to use for my videos. So I get asked this quite a lot of people DM me and ask what I use, and that is iMovie. I have always used iMovie. When I first started, I used to film on my iPhone and I used to edit on my iPad, but then I really struggled with like posting longer videos because my iPad didn't have enough storage for that, so I ended up getting a MacBook, I think last year or the year before, I can't remember, but yeah, a MacBook, and it made my life a whole lot easier, and I use iMovie. I really like it. I'm not that great at editing. What I sometimes do is I will go onto YouTube and just watch other people's editing videos to show you how to edit and do cool tricks and things like that, but overall I just keep my editing pretty simple. The only thing that I think looks quite cool is when I show my Instagram. I think that looks quite cool, but iMovie does the trick for me. I'm not willing to pay a load of money for the ones like Final Cut Pro and things because I'm not making any money off YouTube to actually pay for that. So I think maybe in the future, if I'm able to make money from YouTube, then I can maybe put that towards buying a different editing software, but for now I'm definitely going to use the one that's free on my laptop because that just makes... Okay, so I have one more question, and it's a really good one, and it is, how long have I loved the colour pink? Well, Isabel, forever. I've answered all of the questions that you guys asked me. Thank you so much for asking them. I really appreciate it. So if you want to get involved in future videos, make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and you guys mean so much to me. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.